terms na our basta sa mga kanang sponsor sa mga team is we are obliged to go here to join this kind of event. And we're happy to be here and malipay mo sa pag-ani and we'll make this event enjoyable. Thank you.
Just like what Calvin said, it's an honor to represent, especially PLDT. We are from the KT Pamilya, so we're under the company PLDT, so it's an honor to represent our team, our company, and we hope we enjoy this time together. Sakto naman. Pwede na Bisaya, no?
Ready.
Okay. Ako, first of all, yun, katong lipay kayo to kay dala naman mong brand PLDT. So, hinahinay namin na kami mga basketball player ba? Mo nagdala mong brand PLDT Smart niya. Ari pag yun sa ako, ang hometown sa Cebu pa yun. So, dirijugan ako, taga-talisay ko. So, lipay kayo ko pag kadugog na ako nila. Akong mga family ko, excited ko sila kay want to sila. So, lipay ko kayo sila. So,
parehas na kay Kuya RR, taga-talisay po ko, dari po ko nagdako. I'm very happy and honored to represent PLDT kasi isa sa sponsor namin sa Gilas Tournament. I hope maging masaya yung event na to and enjoyable sa lahat and kita-kita tayo mamaya.
Yeah. Can you give us like a preview on what will happen later during the Fever Fast Day?
Siguro, nagtuwa ang basket ito. Dahil pa nila. Dili, i-promote lang na mo, di ba? I-promote na mo ang promo kay about sa katong mukuha sila og promo na 2099 tas na sila NB League Pass. So, mga tamang i-promote niya and interact din sa mga fans kaya namin sa invitan.
For the details, ano siya yun, we'll visit SMC site, tapos we have first our retail store opening, visit. So they'll be there interacting with fans and enthusiasts and PLDT subscribers. So magkaka-exclusive meet and greet ni mga yun. Tapos after that, may Game Fest involvement kami. We'll be having a stage segment. So they'll also be interacting with fans. So talagang ano siya, kumbaga fans day. And of course, while promoting our brand and of course a promo here. Alright, another question? Go, Ms. Val.
Afternoon. Hindi ko po pala-ask. Kanang for young kids, aspiring kids, like you're from school, you're from adulthood, who wants to become professional basketball players, gusto nyo ma-share sa inyong journey, asa mo nag-start, and then what can, like for example, my kids, my nephew, they look up to you, so unsa nyo so you should do this, kung nyo yung parayos ng mama, things like that. So unsa nyo ma-advise sa kids who want to have the goal to become professional basketball players? Thank you.
Ako lang ma'am, same as my experience na igatod sa wala. And, pero as all I say na I never dreamed to be here. It's like flow of my sa flow ni God na din siguro siguro give back na din sa ako na para maabot ko dili. Pero yun nga, masapot siguro sa akin is yung support sa iyang family. And it's like na kinahanglan lang siguro porsigido sa kabata. And it's not all just about basketball. Especially napoy ko na mag-eskwela. Kaya pag-abot ni mo, if nanakay ito sa, for example, as na NCAA, UAP, di ko makakaduwa o di ko mag-eskwela. So kinahanglan mo balance being an athlete and a student. You're being a student before an athlete. So, para po makuhan na di po, it's all about basketball lang. And yun nga, pinaka-importante is the support, moral support sa family. That's it.